right, the next one we're going to be taking a look at is XONE. This one was picked on the contest by Joey68. He picked this at $9.87, currently trading at $10.09. So it's up. It's up. I mean, it's up 2.23% today, which is better than being down, obviously. Especially when you're in these bigger stocks. 2% gain. I mean, for a bigger stock, it's steady. I really can't go too far off of this chart. This chart's pretty spread apart. And what I mean by that is that you see these candles everywhere. So I really can't add too much into this. It's really not going to be a chart play here. It's going to be more of a company analysis play. Joe, did you want to add anything to this one, or is that it?
Yeah, no, I was just looking at what they do. They're on the NASDAQ and XO1 Technologies leader for industrial grade additive manufacturing. XO1 provides 3D printing machines, 3D printing products, and related services to industrial customers in multiple segments, including pumps, automotive, aerospace, heavy equipment, and energy. So then they did their on November 9th, they did their third quarter results. So I'm just going to pull that up really quick. So for the first 9 months of 2016, revenues were up 37% over the 2015 period. Also driven by sales of large indirect machines. Machine revenues more than doubled, and non-machine revenue grew 8%.
Okay.
Yeah. So you have basically a NASDAQ company that's growing.
Right. I mean, hey, what can you ask for, right? It's a company that's on a higher tier. It's already up 2% from the pick. What else, right? So good job to Joey68 out of the gate. I have a feeling here that this isn't going to be like one of those quick week pops. I have a feeling that this is going to be one of those steady.
Term.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, because their operating loss for the quarter significantly improved compared with the prior year third quarter. Primarily due to the higher gross profit of last year's recording of 4.4 million non-cash goodwill impairment charge.
Okay.
And let's see, selling general and administrative expenses increased by 0.2 million to 5.2 million. The 2016 third quarter included approximately 0.5 million for management succession, of which 0.3 million comprised non-cash stock compensation. Research and development expenses of 1.9 million for the quarter were up from 1.8 million in 2015, with the increase reflecting projected related material costs. Let's see, improved. All right, so adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, non-GAAP measure improved to a $1.6 million loss in 2016 third quarter compared to a $4 million loss in last year's third quarter.
All right, so
okay.
I mean, you got enough information to base it off of. Like I said, this one, my personal opinion is that this is going to be one of those ones that's going to be a steady growth over time. So, you're interested in more on XONE, head over to investorshangout.com. I'm sure that the message board starts filling up here as we go. So we'll move on to the next one.